Were you excited about the new YouTube feature Hype, only to discover that you don't have it? Well, you're not alone. Many new channels don't have it because we don't qualify for the eligibility yet. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why you probably don't have it, what you need to in order to be eligible, and once you're eligible, how do you turn it on? If this sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching. Now, let's go ahead, before we talk about what's required, why you don't have it, and just how to turn it on, let's talk about the Hype feature itself. Because some of you that are watching this, you might be so new, you don't even know what it is. Hype is kind of like a way to help new YouTubers kind of, level the playing field with the more established, high-ranking YouTubers. And so when you see a video, there might be under the likes, you can say, you want to hype this video? And it kind of just helps that YouTube channel get a little bit more exposure. And the more like hype they get, then it gets them on this leadership board and stuff like that. I don't want to go too much into it because I'm honestly still pretty new on the background of the Hype feature. This is more about just how do you get it, and once you get it, how you turn it on. But I do know that you are allowed to hype up to 3 videos per week. So you want to be a little bit more strategic on who you're hyping up. But let's talk about why you might not have it as a new channel. All right, let's go ahead and using my YouTube Studio Analytics to show you. So now we're in my YouTube, and I wanted to start here for anybody that doesn't know how to get to their YouTube Studio. So you click here on your little avatar, and right here, YouTube Studio. And we're going to go ahead, and this is if you're watching this and stuff and you're like, hey, this doesn't look like your platform on the YouTube community channel, this is my other channel. This is the one my main channel. This is the one I started with. And so we're going to go ahead and go over here to earn. Right here, this is probably why you don't have it just like me, is that you have to meet the eligibility for the level 1 YouTube paid partnership, YPP. And so I already had met this one. So I have over 500. And this is the other one that I'm working on right now. So you have to have 3,000 watch hours. So if you're not seeing it on your videos that you post, more than likely you're missing one or both. And so you have to have those. Those are the eligibility. The last part is once you get these, then you have to be approved by the YouTube paid partnership, YPP. But you have to have at least 500. Maximum for the Hype is 500,000. So if you're a channel that is from 500 to 500,000, and you've met the 3,000 watch hours, then you can use Hype. And that takes a little while. So once you have all those, you have the eligibility requirements completed, and now you have been approved, then you have to turn it on. So now where do you go to turn it on? Okay, so we're going to go here to Settings, Channel, Advanced Settings, and then you'll scroll down, and it should be somewhere around in this area. And of course, I don't have it, so you're not going to see it on mine, but that's where you find it, and you just turn it on, and now the viewers can hype up your channel. So if you have any questions about the Hype feature, just put it down in the comments below. And if I don't know the answer right away, I will try to find it for you. And I think I might, once I have a little bit more knowledge in Hype and the background and all the little features that go with it, I'll create another video. So keep an eye out for that. If you found this interesting, then you might find the next video that is going to be shown here interesting. And it's just, as a new YouTuber, how did I mess up my YouTube algorithm on my main channel that we're just looking at? So it's very interesting, and hopefully you learn from it and not make the same mistakes that I did. If you watched all the way to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. My name is Shell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.